It's a Samsung TV. We got a model number, what does that say? LTM1755S. And I was just looking through it, and something in there is shaking around, and it looks like the mounting holes aren't there anymore. And then I started looking, and there's screws missing. So see that power connector next to the RGB? Piece of shit. Fucking Samsung. So now I gotta find one of those, or I could just, I don't know. I'm gonna open this up. I'm not gonna plug this thing in until I see what's going on in there. Here's that plate I was talking about. Yeah. They probably unscrewed it from there. And yeah, here's a screw here. They probably unscrewed it from the mount, and this plate got dislodged, and it was no longer holding it in there. And then they probably couldn't get it back on the wall. Let's see. Yeah, that's typical. Let's lift it up. There's a few screws. And it looks like I gotta take this whole bracket off. Alright, so let's work on that. Let's see what I'm working with. It might be fine. Fuck it, I'll open it anyway. Alright, no. Yeah. So I want to keep that in line. I'll mix those up. It might be fine, other than they couldn't figure out how to when they took the bracket off, they couldn't get it back on because the what's it called? The mounting bracket was floating in the air. That's funny. I gotta remember to mount these ground lugs back. Boy, I'm glad I documented this shit. They got wires coming from this way underneath. I'm just taking another look here. I'm just looking so that I can remember what I'm doing. Even though I have video, I like relying on my own memory, but it looks like it's got a, yeah, those are, okay, so that goes on the bottom, this one goes on the top. Okay, and those are keyed. What's going on with this guy? I don't know. I need two hands on this one. Hold on. That's what she said. I need two hands on this one. Oh, I'm having fun today. Check things off. You know? Start kicking the hell out of yourself for nothing. Okay. Let's get her out of there. Come on. And I got VFD on there. There we go. Got another one. Jesus. Fuck you, Samsung. Whoa, look what I just found. Look, another one. That's 2 inductors. What's the values on these? They're both the same. Good. They look like 47 microhenry. Okay. Oh, this ought to be fun. Come on, you. Samsung, you're a pain in the ass. I've never seen so many connectors on a tiny ass TV in my life. Unbelievable. Okay, now where did those fuckers go? Wow, what is going on here? See, what is that? Come on, focus. There's another one here that I saw. That must be the can that they got it soldered to. I'm looking for where those inductors might go. They got to be on the other side of this power supply board. Yeah, so let's take a look at that next. Boy, this is getting more interesting as I go, huh? I wasn't expecting this. I was not expecting this at all. God damn, every screw is different. Putting this back would be just as fun. Alright, power supply should slide right out. Oh yeah. There it is, and that's where the inductors go. They jumped right off the board, didn't they? Alright, so I'm going to take the iron and clean up these traces. Re-tin the ends here, the pads on the component, and see if we can get those back on there. There's also a fuse here, but yeah, I'll check that too. But yeah, those inductors, that'll stop it from that'll stop it from working. Definitely. Okay. I'll show you when I'm done with the cleaning up the circuits and the inductors. And we'll clean the other one. Yeah, the key thing is flux. Flux everything. You should flux every connection, every time. That's the secret to decent soldering. That's the key. Flux everything. Yeah, those contacts were filthy. Much nicer. See that? Now we clean it. Now the flux off. You don't have to, but it's cleaning the flux off allows you to do a visual inspection on what you've done, which is really important too. If you can't verify your work, what good is it, right? Technically you'd be working blind, right? Alright, now we're going to do the same situation. Boy, all these connections look like shit. These things look like they're about to pop off any second. Look at that. Thing's just sitting there. I might touch these up. Yeah, there's no meat on it. The board should have some meat. Alright. The pads look like before, and cleaning it up, I'm gonna get that nice and flush before I mount the component on there. But you can see how filthy, and there's barely solder on there. On all of them, they're all like that. And look at this. Look at this capacitor. It's not even soldered. I can see the hole. Come on, focus. You see the holes there? Wow. This is some really shit solder work. Yeah, I'm gonna have to touch all these up. Look at that. That cap's not even... If it wasn't for the ground plane on the bottom. And that's just sitting there. I don't even think that's connected to that resistor there. Maybe it is. I can't see. Not through this damn thing. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're working on now. And there we are. Come on, focus. You can see the connections here and here. Nice and flush with the board. Right? And we'll do the same thing on the other one. And I'm just going to touch up the rest of those components. And this cap here, I'm going to check the fuse. I can do that right now. Yeah, we're good. And yeah, I'm going to touch up all these little MOSFETs here. I'm going to test these diodes. These are known to pop off too. That's good. That's good. All I see is 2. Alright. Yeah. This is a lot more fun than I thought it would be. I figured I'd just replace a couple caps and, you know, a lot of work. No, this is actually pretty enjoyable for me right now. I don't mind this a bit. I want to get this plastic shit out of here because I can't get under there. We can put that back. I can put that back. This side of the board looks a lot better job with solder wise. Whatever. Let me clean this up. Get ready for the next. Oh yeah. That's what I want to see. Beautiful. Go around and hit all these up. definitely getting that capacity. Definitely. I can't get over that. How did that pass inspection? I found it in 2 seconds. What the hell's going on? What's going on, Samsung? You're losing your touch. And the battery's exploding and shit. That's better, right? Yeah, I touched up all these in here, and you can actually see the connections. These MOSFETs, they were barely hanging onto the board. Yeah, I'm done cleaning this damn thing. It's good enough. I'm calling it. Okay, the thing that's been on my mind this whole process: how do I power this damn thing up? Or how should I power it up? Do I rig it, be an asshole and do a shitty job? Or do I look through my box of power supplies and try to find one that'll fit? This looks like a real common footprint. I think. It looks real familiar, so I'm going to see if I have it. Hold on a second. Yeah, I got a bag of those barrel connectors that are standard size. Fuck you, Samsung. We're overriding you today. Yeah, so we're going to do an instant upgrade on the... Oh, look at this shit. These sick bastards. They soldered it to the fucking chassis. Samsung. You're shitting me, right? Or maybe it's just to this. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's to the damn chassis. You piece of shit. What a pain in the ass. Let's clean these up. Alright, here's the connector we want to get rid of. I actually want to take a good close look at the connections. See. Yeah, that's the same footprint. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about pinout. I'm worried about pinout. Yeah, we're good. Yep. Okay. Let's add some flux to it. Where am I? Right here. Wow, I'm doing more work. I'm already investing parts and shit into this thing already. Unbelievable. I like to complain. Nice and clean on the other side. Alright. Let's put her in there. New connectors on there. Nice and flush. Take it on there. Hey, look at this. This component's a little out of whack, isn't it? It's not straight, is it? Yeah. Get this. So let's get this back on there. Let's Start soldering this damn thing back together. Alignment right? Yep. Okay, what's next? Let's get the power supply board on there. Which side was which? Oh, fuck. Just like that. There's that. Alright. Alright. Let's get two more in there. I'd like to really see this thing fire up. It's nice to work on a television and not have it be a stupid capacitor. You know? Those jobs suck. Everybody's seen 1,000 videos like that. You know? It's just, you just come to expect it. You see a TV video, and before they even open their mouth, you're going, yeah, it's the caps. And then they open it up and they're all surprised. Get the fuck out of here. You're not surprised. Being fucking bullshit. Alright, let's see here. I believe it looks original. Yeah, these things were floating around. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. Let's turn this like this. I want to see what the back of this display says. What's it say? 12 volts, 4.5 amps. Alright, we're plugged in. I'm going to hit the on button. I don't see any light. I see a light down here. Hey, look at that. Fucking A. Yeah, we're good to go. Doing TV video. DTV. I don't know if you saw it. Video. Yeah, we're good. This fucking bitch works now. Excellent. Wow, so we got that TV going, right? Couple inductors. Shit solder job on Samsung's part. Had to replace the connector, the barrel connector. Just because I don't have that, I'm not fucking around looking for that stupid connector. So, I just put a regular barrel connector on there. Everyone's got those. I fixed the mounting bracket, which was a shit job on their part too. What a shit design. Anyway. Hey, it worked out. It saved TV from going to the landfill, right? Because somebody would have picked it up, dragged it home, figured out that they don't have the connector for it, and they would have thrown it out anyway. It would have been thrown out. There's no way somebody would have picked that up and been able to fix it. Somebody might have, but I don't know. I find it to be unlikely. Electronics repair guys we're not a dying breed, but it's not like it was like 50 years ago. Not like I was around for that, but we had real repairmen all the time. Now we just have replacement. Alright, good night, ladies and germs. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, check out my website, and because you'll probably find some other stuff that you won't be able to see on YouTube. And I mean, it'll have like a lot more swearing and I don't know, more bloopers and stuff like that. I don't know. Whatever. Check it out if you want. You can swing by. Tell me what a piece of shit website I made. Alright. Good night, ladies and germs. Take care. Good night.